Hi guys, we have previously made a video where we showed the installation of dashcam with hiding the wires. But back then we used the cigarette lighter outlet as a power source. And today we'll show you how to hardwire dashcam to the vehicle's fuse box. So since this dashcam doesn't come with hardwiring kit, later we'll have to cut off this plug. But before we do that, we'll have to make a small cut on the wire and locate the hot wire using the voltmeter. As you can see, we have two wires here, red and black. So we suspect that the red wire is a hot wire, and right now we will confirm that. We'll have to plug it back into the socket.
As you see, we have 12 volt power. Now we will check if we really have 12 volts on this red wire. As you see, it's at 12 volts.
So it means that the red wire is the one that will be connecting to the fuse box. After we are done testing the wire and before we proceed with the next step, we recommend to disconnect the battery. As I have previously said, this is where we installed the cable in the previous video. So right now we'll have to cut the zip ties off. So here is the fuse box that we'll be using. There are two empty slots here. There's one and two, and we'll be using one of them. Here is an empty slot right here, and this is the second one. So for the next step we'll have to connect the battery, because we'll be looking for the accessory 12 volt power source between those two empty slots. So first we'll have to connect the ground wire to the vehicle frame. So first we'll use the first slot and as you can see it shows 12 volts right away. It means it's a constant power, and we won't be using this slot because it means that the camera will be working all the time and will be draining the battery. So let's check the second slot. So now I'll press the start button once. It's an accessory right now, and we can see that nothing has changed. I'll press it again, and it puts it into ignition on, and we can see that we have 12 volts right now. So we'll be using this slot in order to power the camera. We'll be using the fuse step to get 12 volts and the ring-shaped terminal to connect to the ground. So in order to be able to know what kind of fuse we'll be using, you'll have to disassemble the original connector and see what kind of fuse was used originally. So I'll try to show you. You can see right now it says 3 amperes. So this is the fuse, the micro fuse that we'll have to find and use for this installation. So right here we have a ground wire. And here is 12 volts right here.
Video recording starts.
After we finished our testing, now we will use split tube for extra protection and try to apply it for the whole length of the wire.
So that is how it looks after split tube was installed.
And again, here's our cable. Starts from here, goes to the ground, then it goes up there, you can see it being attached to this other wire and goes behind the central console. And here is the wire on this side. Goes through there. Here is again. So at this point it goes right here. through the A pillar and it reaches the dash cam.
So remember about this pin.
So the installation is complete. So again, the camera will start working when the vehicle ignition is on. So you have to press button twice. So you can see the camera working. It means that we did everything the right way.